Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix textures loading in GTA 5. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to the files where your GTA 5 is installed. So for me, I'm using Steam, so it's on library. I need to right click on it, go to properties, and then install files and browse. And here I will find all the files here. But for example, if you're running GTA 5 from Epic Games, you need to go to library, then press on the burger menu here, then manage, and then press this little folder icon here, and then you will find your files there. And here then you need to find on the files GTA 5 exe file, and then you need to go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode Windows 8, and also select these two options here. Right, and after apply the changes, then you need to go back to search, write graphics settings, make sure to look for GTA 5, press options and select high performance here, and then go back on settings, gaming, make sure game mode is on here, and then run GTA 5. And once your GTA 5 is loaded, then you need to go to the task manager, and let's say here is GTA 5, for example, or let's say Steam, it will be good. Just select GTA 5 on the task manager, then go to details and look for exe file. It will be auto selected for you, and then you need to select set priority and select either high or real time, right? And then your problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.